Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and help you out if you're struggling to tune the guitar. So the basics of tuning the guitar will require some kind of tuner. I love the clip-on tuners, but you can use kind of whatever you want. There's apps that you can download that can hear the note, so it's totally fine, and a lot of those are free, so you don't have to pay anything for those. This is, I think, 20-30 bucks or so on Amazon or any guitar store. So point is I want you to know a couple of things. There's like two layers to this. Layer one is essentially just understanding that the string names are necessary to be memorized. So the string names are E, A, D, G, B, E. Good luck, right? I know, you're like, no! So the acronym is, if you haven't learned it already, and the other video is Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. Go ahead and say that. Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. A little silly, a little dark, I know, but it's how we memorize it. So that right there is gonna help you with a string name. So just do it with me. Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. Got it? Awesome. Okay, now if that was too much, pause it, go back, and just do that until that's comfortable. Then simply remove the rest of it besides that first letter. Then you've got E, A, D, G, B, E. Take your time and repeat that a couple more times. Once you got that, let's go ahead and apply that to the guitar strings. So E, A, D, G, B, E. Take your time, pause if you need to. Make sure that's locked in and comfortable. Go for it. Now, go ahead and pull up your app or tuner, whatever that you have nearby, and I simply want you to apply the clip-on, if you have a clip-on tuner, on your guitar. We're gonna use that today for today's lesson, since it's gonna be something you can see as I go. So what I wanna do is demonstrate a couple of things that will help you to tune your guitar on your own. Oftentimes guitars are a little bit low. By the way, you have to tune this guitar every time, okay? And by the way, once you get it once, it kind of stays more or less in tune. But a lot of new guitars will be way off, okay? So here's kind of level one of tuning with a tuner, assuming that everything's kind of close-ish. Okay, so what I have is E, right? And as you can see, it is a little to the left here. That means it's too low. If I pluck it and bring it up, you'll see that it gets to the center here. It's a different color, like a little blue-green thing. And now, at the 3-second mark is true pitch. I'm in perfect pitch, okay? If I happen to overshoot it, well, now I'm a little bit, too high, okay? So I'm gonna bring that down, pluck it, turn it, until it goes here. And real quick, that E string you can follow all the way down to your tuning peg, and you can simply turn this away from you to make it higher, and back towards you to make it lower. Oh, too low. There it is, now we're at E. Apply that same stuff for A. Oh, looks like I'm a little bit too, there we go, a little too high. Now I'm right in. D's too low. Okay, I'm gonna tune that up. There we go, and it goes in a horseshoe. So next one is G. You can follow all the way down. That's a little bit too low. Now I'm gonna turn this towards me to make it higher on this side of the guitar, turning it back this way to make it higher. Oh, I got a little bit too far, so I'm gonna bring it back lower to the middle. Bring it back this way, until it's in the middle. See, I'm just playing it, letting it ring. There. And then next is what string? B. We'll bring that up too. And then finally, E, or high E. Excellent. Okay, so if your guitar is in the middle on all of those, you are ready to go back to the video and learn your first song ever. If not, go ahead and simply give us a call. If this isn't working out for you, give me a text and we'll help you to walk you through it. But it's likely that if this is still not working out for you, it's because something else is going on. Sometimes you'll see notes say something completely different. And now you're like, what? You said E, okay? And so why that is because that says D and it's got a little hashtag. That's because you've got simply an array of 12 notes in music. There they are. It's simply A to G, good. And then with the sharps, you have A to G, and everything has a sharp twin except for B and E. You see that? So therefore it's A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, and G sharp. Got it? And that's going higher as I keep going. If I went back down, that would be going lower. So therefore, if it says D sharp, that little hashtag means sharp in music land, that means that, that's right, it's too low. I have to bring it up to the E. So I'm gonna play it, turn it higher. Now I'm in E, and there it is. Now I'm back in tune. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you go back to the video to learn your first song ever and give us a call if you have any issues or if you just want us to help you with this, get more hands-on, get exclusive, get that one-on-one experience with a professional guitar teacher here with McCormick Music. Best of luck either way. Thanks for watching. My name is Andrew with McCormick Music.